In this video, we will learn about poultry farming. So, there are birds like chicken, hen, duck, goose, turkey, which we use for eggs or meat, and we call them our poultry. All these products that we use from these birds are good source of proteins. Now, the rearing and breeding of poultry for eggs and meat is called poultry farming. And the place where the poultry are raised, where these all birds are raised, we call them poultry farm. The egg laying chickens, the chickens which are laying eggs, we call them as layers, and the poultry which provides us the meat are called as broilers. Now, this poultry farming, it is a very small scale industry and it needs a small investment but gives fast returns. It does not need a large scale investment, but it needs very small investment, but it will give fast returns. Then we have poultry breeds. First, we have desi or indigenous breeds. Now, Acer is the most common indigenous poultry breed. It provides high meat variety which weighs around 3 to 5 kg in weight, but it is not a good egg layer. Nuri is a white indigenous breed. Kajal, Pila, Yakub, Bursa, and Kadaknath are other indigenous breeds of poultry. Then we have exotic poultry breeds. White leghorn variety is smaller in size and needs less feed. Now there is this bird called as white leghorn, which you can see in the picture. It is very smaller in size if compared, and it also needs less food for itself. It gives white eggs and is very popular for the among the Indian breeders. Rhode Island Red variety. It is also a variety of a poultry breed. It is favored for being good egg layer and a good meat yielder. Here we can see there is this breed called as Rhode Island Red. It is a good egg layer and a good meat yielder. Where it was developed in the farms of Rhode Island in USA. Then we have cross breeds of poultry. Now, all the chickens or all the fowls that we see in the present day, most of them are crossbreeds. Now, some crossbreeds that were developed in India were HH260, IBEL 80, B77, and ILS 82. Now, how do we care about them? How the poultry that we're raising in our poultry farm, how do we care about them? How do we take care of them? First is giving them shelter. Now, poultry should be reared in wire cages or in poultry sheds. If we will left them open, they can be attacked by predators like dogs and cats. Then we have to feed them. We have to give them food. So the food includes meshed cereals like wheat, maize, bajra, jowar, ragi, rice, bran, and groundnut cakes. Also, the fish meat is prepared from the waste of this meat processing industry. Then we have to take care of them when they are laying eggs. The poultry needs to have enough space, proper light, rich food which has sufficient amount of protein, fats, vitamin A and K, and sufficient availability of water so that they are properly given nutrition while they are laying eggs. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.